Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday morning. Yes, it's the beginning of the week. So, start off with last night's dinner was jalapeno popper soup. It ended up being very good. We were both kind of going, is this going to be okay? But no, it ended up being very good. And I actually had, again, she didn't take it to today. She promised to leave it, but I did say we had enough that she could take at least one serving for her for lunch today. But she did contemplate taking it today. Today's menu is, I'm actually changing my days around because I have the meeting tomorrow night instead of Robin. So we're going to have our leftovers from the jalapeno popper soup. We're going to have that tomorrow night. And I'll do my baking tomorrow. So today, I'll be preparing a creamy balsamic chicken, egg noodles, and a zucchini sauté. So let's get, as you can see, I've got some things already going, basically things already in place to cook later on today. There's the egg noodles. We got some brown sugar. The measuring cups are ready for the heavy cream and chicken stock. We have some parsley in the back, the zucchini, a couple different onions, garlic, of course, unsalted butter. There's the chicken, the recipe. Now, here we go with the balsamic. We have an Italian herb blend, garlic powder, thyme, red chili pepper flakes. Hey, I got it right today. Mexican sweet basil and Mexican oregano. The basil and the oregano actually will go into the zucchini sauté. And guess what I get to break out today? Hey, there's my old friend. My new toy, my extra burner. I'll be doing the zucchini sauté in that, but actually we'll be doing it on the work table, not on my island. I hope you had a great Sunday. I posted up yesterday's soup recipe. It will be coming out this morning. And the recipe from Friday evening's chicken that I did. So enjoy your day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.